If you own a brand on TikTok Shop or if you manage one for another company, I'm gonna show you how you can go about getting your first 100 affiliates, getting your first 100 videos, and making your first $10,000 as fast as possible. All right, I'm gonna share a super straightforward strategy, not an easy strategy, but it's very straightforward. This is exactly what I have done. This is what I am currently doing. I'm gonna show you guys a live example, like a live video that did really well for us over the past week. Literally, I think it was 3 or 4 days ago where the video came out. So to show you that it actually works and that it's a strategy that you should consider implementing if you are a TikTok Shop brand owner or manager. First, let me load up this bad boy. All right, so let's hit on the first part here. How do you go about like building your affiliate program from zero? If you're just getting started or you have no affiliates, no videos, like what is the first step? If you're starting your affiliate program from zero, there's really two ways that you can go about doing it. You can go very high volume, send out a bunch of sample requests. So your main cost here is just whatever it costs you to make the product and ship it out to the affiliates. Or you can work with like an agency or work with a content team, pay a couple $1,000s up front, and then you're gonna get, access to their creators, or if you're paying them individually. Either way, you're gonna be spending a few $1,000s right off the rip just paying creators where they could be good creators, but who knows? It may or may not work, right? So you're investing money up front. Now, a lot of you guys, I'm sure, would prefer to not invest as much up front, try to make as much money as possible early on, and then you can kind of start hiring creators and bringing people on retainer. That is what I've done for multiple brands now, and it's worked out pretty well. So the first thing, okay, you guys are gonna need a outreach software to do this. The one I use is Uptick. So let's look here, look at this intro blast. This is what allows you to go out and message creators through the affiliate center automatically. So you can automate this whole outreach process. Just to give you an idea of like what the numbers look like, we've sent 62,000 messages out. Okay, these are split between invite collabs and DMs. So you probably, if you're a creator, you get, you receive 29 invites, you receive 49 invites. We love your content. We love that it's like just awful messages that are being sent out. So creators get tons of those every day. They look basically all the same, but you can also send DMs here. Okay, so this is where it like goes directly into their, still in the affiliate center, but they actually get a DM from the company rather than just an invite card. We've sent 62,000 messages. We've gotten 1,400 sample requests from that. So just over a 2% from message sent to sample requested, right over 2% of people will request samples. And we got 591 replies. So a lot of interest will come from doing this high volume outreach type of method. Now, we didn't go in and just automatically approve 1,400 samples. We still would like to see that the creators are like making good content, and we can kind of narrow it down from there. But just to get your brand exposed, just to hit creators for the first time, these are some numbers you can go off. I am targeting creators who have done at least over $100 in GMV here. So, there's going to be a few 100,000 creators that are in this database here. So these run automatically day to day. Okay, so this is how you're going to go in and get your first 100 creators and get those samples sent out. Now, what you're going to realize with this strategy, since you're kind of just, it's all just one big funnel, right? You're hitting a ton of people up front. A certain percentage are going to request samples. You're going to approve a certain percentage based on how they look on paper and how their videos look. Now, once you get to the bottom of that, let's just say for every sample you get a video. So you have 100 videos. What you're gonna notice, and this is where I see where brands or, affiliate brand managers, whatever you wanna call it, will be like, well, hey, we got 100 samples out and all the videos absolutely suck, right? Like we did 0 sales from that. And that is just, that's kind of how it's gonna be. Just because you're doing, this right on paper, like I got 100 videos, I have 100 creators. Why haven't we made any money? So the next step here goes into, all right, how do we have some control over the video quality? This is where I always talk about it. If you guys are creators and you're looking to work with brands, like to do this, to partner with them and help them build this affiliate program, this is where you have a ton of leverage because you can be the creator first. Like you can be the guy going in and testing 20, 30 different video angles, different styles, seeing what works for that product. And then, as you can see, this other campaign I have set up here, this video blast. you can make a portfolio of the top performing videos that you personally made, and then you can blast those out to creators. As you can see here with all these campaigns, I have multiple touch points as creators work their way through the process. So, all right, they request a sample, great. As soon as I confirm it, send them a text. Shipped out, send them a text. They post a video, you get where we're going with this, right? Every point throughout the process, one of these automations is going to trigger so that we have another touch point with the creators and we're actually building a relationship with them. This is going to be, these two are the most important and they go hand in hand, because now that you have a bunch of creators, you need to like tell these creators and show them what type of content they should be making. Like if they're just seeing a product for the first time, you're just never going to be able to rely on creators to just make banger videos for you with no direction at all. Someone, either you, someone on your team, like somebody has to be leading by example, testing video angles, and then basically giving creators videos, like just handing everything over to them, be like, yo, copy this video word for word, make it the exact same thing. Like this worked for me, it will work for you 100%. There's no like magic secret message that you can send these creators to just like somehow get unbelievable videos right off the rip. You go on to CaloData, you look at basically any product on TikTok Shop, all of the top videos are gonna be just different variations and versions of the exact same thing. Like some of them are just the exact same thing, word for word. They're just coming from a bunch of different creators, and that's how these brands are kind of just scaling their affiliate program. Like you can see the videos here. I test a ton of different angles to see what is gonna work. And then once something works, like this video, 250,000 views, 200,000 views, I put those in a portfolio, which you build through Uptick here, through the software, and then I blasted those out to 1,700 creators. So all the creators who have the product in their showcase, or if they posted a video, okay, this is all stuff you can do within Uptick, but just to give you like the idea of how this works. So I posted this video. It did, I think like, nothing crazy. It did around like $500. So pretty good, right?
And in 6 to 8 hours, I'm gonna be 10. Wait, 6 to 8 hours? It's gonna be a long show. Get his legs, Kevin. Get his
But either way, right? Like I just go in, I talk about these videos all the time on the channel. These, you know, this is a Shark Tank product, so I basically just made a faceless style video showing the episode. You know, another thing you want to think about here is that you not only want to maximize for conversions, like obviously you want every video to do well and get a bunch of sales. But if you're just starting out and you're looking to build your affiliate program and, you know, build interest within the affiliate community and have other creators like want to promote your product, you have to also kind of focus on just making viral videos. Like you want these videos to get as many views as possible, just so people know that your brand is like on TikTok. Because then creators are gonna see this on their For You page. They're gonna be like, wow, this video like blew up for this brand. And then if you're new, they're gonna jump onto your product page, be like, oh, there's like no videos with this product. This is a massive opportunity for me, and I can just copy this video. And that is exactly what you want to happen if you're a brand owner, right? Like that's the exact ideal outcome of when you start posting videos to test different angles, right? Is that creators will just see it, copy it, make the same style video, and then you can just try to get like 100 of these videos as fast as possible, right? That's not, you don't want to just optimize for, oh, I need 500 creators. It's like, no, once you get one video that even kind of works, you want to get 500 videos just like it, because that's how you can like quickly blow up on TikTok. Okay, so I had this video, whatever, I go in, most of it is kind of just the episode. And then this I posted, I think 7 days ago, so it was like a week ago. And then we got one of our affiliates made a video just like it. He either saw it on his For You page or he saw it on the message that I blasted out to him, and he made the exact same style video, and this video crushed mine. Like this has like over 3 million views, 190,000 likes, and the exact same style video. Like once you find something that works, then you need to leverage that video and get as many creators as possible to see it so that they can start recreating it. And it's a win-win for everyone. Like this creator made way more money than I did on my video. That's kind of the process, right? So now the more videos that we get like that, we can just keep adding these. Like that second part, you know, the how to make your first $10,000 on TikTok Shop, that is a hard part of it, right? Like that's not an easy, it's just not an easy thing to do. and you know, you can do everything right. You can get 500 affiliates on, but that just doesn't guarantee that the videos are ever gonna make any sales or be any good. That's kind of the piece that a lot of these brands or brand, you know, affiliate managers are missing. Just someone in the trenches, just grinding, trying to figure out what's gonna work. And then what you wanna do with your affiliates is like, okay, now that you found something that worked, you just make it as easy as possible for them to replicate, so they don't have to put a ton of creative energy into making the videos. They can make a ton of money, and you can have that replicated hundreds and hundreds of times, ideally, over and over again, right? That's how I go about it. It's not, like I said, it's not an easy strategy, but it's very straightforward. And like, if you own a brand, like that's where all your time and energy has to be going into. It's like, all right, how do we find a video strategy that's gonna work? Once you find something that works, that one video, like you always hear how people are like, oh, you know, one video can change your life. One video is all you need. Once that works, everything starts to work. And that's just how it is in any type of, for literally on any platform. Like if you have one video blow up on YouTube, all right, you're probably good after that. One video blows up on TikTok, all right, now we can leverage that and we start to make more and more and more. That's the strategy that I would recommend implementing. Super high volume, and then just trench test, testing in the trenches, whatever you want to call it, just whatever you got to do. And it doesn't have to be you. Like you could find a creator like a similar product, but you're probably gonna have to pay them or offer them like a really good rewards incentive structure where they can kind of be your creator. Like you need a guy, you need an in-house guy, you need the guy, right? Someone in the beginning who's trying to test a bunch of different angles, and then once that starts to work, it's like, all right, you know, constantly. That's really just how TikTok Shop works. All the top videos are probably gonna be exactly the same, and you're just constantly gonna have to be testing new things and then trying to get those viral videos recreated. That's the video. Hopefully that helped you guys out. If it did, like the video for me, subscribe to the channel. If you want, you can join our Groupon School. I've got one for brand owners and brand managers to share more behind the scenes of all of these strategies. So check that out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.